Welcome to the VeriPic Evidence Pad Setup tutorial. Officers can capture and record evidence with their mobile devices, and with the VeriPic Evidence Pad, officers can use their mobile devices to conveniently collect photos, audio and video recordings, and document notes while out in the field. First, log into the Evidence Pad with your username and passwords. Then go to the Settings page by tapping on the menu and choosing Settings, and enter your IP address of the server. Type your default case number or leave it blank. And if you want to be able to import files from your phone to the Evidence Pad, flip the switch to allow that. If you want your users to be able to delete a file, then flip the switch to allow Delete. Normally, traces of deleted files are left behind, causing your phone to potentially become discoverable as evidence in a case. The VeriClean feature removes traces of evidence after the transmission of files to the VeriPic system. This reduces the possibility that your phone will become discoverable. Turn on the switch to activate VeriClean. Press Save, then tap OK. Press the menu and then press Home. We hope that you have enjoyed your Evidence Pad training. Please contact us through our website at www.veripic.com if you have questions or need to expand your system. If you need to talk to a live person, please call 888-VeriPic. That's 888-837-4742. Thank you.